These are 20 of the worst crashes in the car racing industry. Buckle up as we dive from some of the most unfortunate series of bad lucks, reckless driving, and just straight-up insanity. Number 1. The last race of Ayrton Senna. In the world of racing, few names stir as much emotion and reverence as Ayrton Senna, a legend whose final race left an unforgettable legacy. But not only his demise, but everything that happened in that weekend marked the history of Formula One as the most devastating competitions.